Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you how to create a template in Template Phrases, the tool for Microsoft Outlook that makes sending out emails really easy. So I just figured I'd start here. This is a tool I use. It's called Bacon Ipsum. It's just a way to generate random text. So I decided, you know what, let me just share this with you because I'm going to grab this text. Now, I got to be honest, I would never send out an email this long. I selected some text. I did Control C to copy it, and now I'm just going to navigate away from this. Okay, so I want to send an email. I'm going to come up here and click on New Email, and over on the right-hand side is my tool called Template Phrases. If I want to create a new template, I'm going to click right here, and now I can give the template a name. I'm going to just call it Bacon 1. In here, I'm just going to type in greetings, and I just left you a message about bacon. Isn't it ironic that I've been in this business a long time and I'm not the world's greatest typist? Yeah, it is, I guess. Anyhow, this is the product information that I want to include. Oop. Wrong information. It didn't quite copy. Let me go get that again. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. I put all this information in there. Okay. Now again, I want to reiterate, I would never send an email with this much information in it, but maybe I want to just make this stick out a little bit, and I'm just trying to illustrate what can be done with this. Maybe I want to make the first line stand out. I make it red, and maybe even I make it a little bit bigger just so it really pops. Okay. Greetings. I just left you a message about bacon. And actually, let's call this Bacon LM for left message. And a lot of times when I'm putting these things in here, I'll spell it out a little bit so when I do a search for this, I'm able to find it. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It gets interesting because down towards the end of this, I'm going to insert what's called a macro. So I'm going to click here on Insert Macro, and I have all these options. Now, I got to be honest with you, I don't use all of these, but they're very, very easy to work with and mess around with. But the one that I really use is quite simply this one. Bear with me. Where did I put it? Right here where it says Fill Subject. So that's the little macro. And now after this, I'm going to type in my name, and one of my little tricks that I tell my students is always start emails with your name. Because even if they don't read it, you've promoted yourself, and that's not a bad thing. And I'm going to type in Bacon Info. Okay. I'm going to click Save. So I just created a template. Now let's say I want to find that template. These are all my templates. These are recent ones, and these are my favorites. So I'm going to go to All. I'm going to double click on this item, and what it's going to do, it's going to take my bacon email, fill in the subject line, fill in the body, everything. And now all I have to do is address this. So it is so easy to send an email. And I think once you start working with a tool like this, you start thinking about emails a little bit differently. Because now you think, well, wait a minute, what are some of those emails I get that I always am replying to? Well, how could I write a reply to message that's generic enough that I could use it over and over and over again? So to me, this is the kind of tool that can take selling, using Act, using Microsoft Outlook to a different level. And in a previous tutorial, I had talked about another tool called Banana Tag, which is going to give me indications of whether or not people are reading my emails and clicking on links. So the bottom line is this. I want you to be able to fly through this stuff and be as productive as possible. That's why I show you these tutorials, these little tools that I've used. Keep in mind, this is designed more for a one-on-one email, not necessarily the template phrases, but the approach of understanding, did people get the email? Did they open it? Did they click on any of the links? And that's a component, not so much of template phrases, but it's a component of Banana Tag. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.